Good morning, students. I welcome you to all this channel Social Science Vidya Niketan. So, students, I want to thank you to all of you because of your overwhelming responses. That one of my another YouTube channel Social Science with NKS that was very successful. And as you are requesting to add more and to focus more on your term 2, my team is planned to make one more social science YouTube channel. So this social science Vidya Niketan channel, that study material will be uploaded to focus on your term 2 exam. So as you know that many good videos which are uploaded to learn social science and to develop or to get your good marks in the social science subject, that was already uploaded. So in this channel, my team is planning to add some more videos for your term 2 syllabus. So today my team is ready to record the MCQ based question of class 8 geography. All the previous chapters of class 8, 6, 7 that was already uploaded, and class 6 to 12 all the sources and videos are uploaded. I hope you have seen all those videos. And one more request that you should not skip any video, or you should not see incomplete any video, so that if you will see incomplete, then you will miss many important point. So it is my advice that you should see all the videos till the end, so that you can get the benefit of those videos. And I hope you all subscribe the videos, because every day in my channel around 20 videos are uploaded for your social science subject, which will be very benefited for you. So if it is not subscribed, so you should subscribe it, so that you can get instantly update of the different activities of the channel. And quizzes are also there, so you can participate in quiz and you can get surprise gift. So let's start our today's planned topic. That is today we will record the human resource. That is human resource chapter. That is the last chapter of class 8 geography. Okay. And as you know that in every MCQ, when you are looking these videos MCQ based questions, so you should keep one copy and pen with you, and you can write the questions, and you can write the answer also, so that you can evaluate yourself whether the questions answer which you are written, that is correct or not. In this way you can evaluate yourself. Okay. So our first question of the human resource chapter, that is the most populated continent is dash. The most populated continent is dash, and your options are Asia, option B Africa, C Europe, D South Africa. I hope you all have written the correct answer. Very easy questions. That is Asia. Correct. If you have written Asia, you can give 1 mark for yourself. Moving to question number 2, the least number of people live in this continent. The least number, very less number of people live in this continent. What is the answer? Options are North America, option B Europe, option C Oceania, option D Antarctica. The right answer is Antarctica. Okay, because the temperature is very low. Okay. According to population, what is India's rank in the world? Question number 3. Again, I am repeating for you. According to population, what is India's rank in the world? And your options are A 7th, B 2nd, C 5th, and D 1st. Okay, I hope you must have written the answer, and the correct answer is 2nd. Okay, India's position is 2nd. Question number 4. Which of these countries has a population below 100 million? Which of these countries has a population below 100 million? Okay. So your options are A Japan, B Peru, C USA, and D India. Okay. It is also very important questions, and the answer is B Peru. Okay. Moving to question number 5. What is the average population density of the world? What is the average population density in the world? So your options are 300 persons per square kilometer, 100 persons per square kilometer, 45 persons per square kilometer, 10 persons per square kilometer. What will be the right answer? Question number and in this question number 5, right answer is 45% in square kilometer. Correct. Moving to question number 6. In which country is the city of Osaka located? In which country is the city of Osaka located? And your options are A. UK, B. South Korea, C. Japan, D. None of this. And the right answer is option number C, Japan. In this Japan city, Osaka is located. Correct. Moving to question number 7. Which of these countries is notable for the number of people who emigrate outside from there? Which of these countries, I'm repeating this for you, which of these countries is notable for the number of people who emigrate outside from there? And your options are A. Sudan, B. Australia, C. New Zealand, and D. None of this. Very important question, and the answer is A. Sudan. Moving to question number 8. So already we have discussed 7 questions, and the question number 8 is which of these characteristics of a population pyramid indicates the lowest level of literacy and development? Repeating the question for you. Which of these characteristics of a population pyramid indicates the lowest level of literacy and development? Broad base and narrow top. Broad base and narrow top. This is the option number A. B. Broad base and steady slope. C. Narrow base, narrow top. B. Broad base and broad top. Your options is your answer is option number A. Broad base and narrow top. So this is the characteristics of a population pyramid indicates the lowest literacy and development, broad base and narrow top. Okay, so these are the important questions for the human resource class and geography. We will meet in next video with some more MCQ based questions of social science. Thank you.